Today I'm coming to you from the Ocearch Research Vessel. They're doing unbelievable stuff with great whites, super cool. So we're gonna kick off their 2020 expedition. Check out flank steak. We're gonna turn it into a Mongolian beef satay. Super easy, big bold bites, love the results. Creekstone Farm, delicious beef, boom. Let me explain something about the technique here because this recipe is 100% technique driven. You're gonna put the marinade on that beef and then grill it at a super high temperature. I wanna create a crust, get that caramelization going, and stop the marination process. All right, from that point, we're really gonna pound this stuff. It's gonna mechanically tenderize it so that we only have to do half the chewing we were gonna have to do, okay? So that mechanical tenderization of pounding and then slicing across the grain is really gonna help the end result, the mouthfeel, and how much people are gonna enjoy it. Several ways to tenderize meat. One of which is mechanically tenderizing. When you put chunks of pork butt through a grinder and it grinds, it pushes through the auger and the blade, that's mechanically. You can slice across the grain is another way. You can use certain enzymes like, bromelain in pineapple, start to break things down. But here, we've taken a flank steak, grilled it to a rare state, but put some nice char on the outside. Chef Tom did a great job of getting this charred up, but keeping it nice and rare. Now we're gonna slice it, and then we're gonna skewer it such that the skewer goes across the grain. That when people bite, they're biting across the grain, it's falling apart in their mouth just because of the way that the lines are running. And this is gonna be a Mongolian beef satay. We're gonna make Chinese 5-spice apples with this. Those Chinese 5-spice apples are a lot of fun. We've cooked them on the flat top with a little bit of red onion, a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of ginger, picked it up with that Chinese 5-spice. This is a really fun, big, bold bite. Soon as the 5-spice hit those apples, the essential oils kicked in and the aroma is through the roof. I mean, it is really just blooming out. It's getting a little more complex. So
Thanks, Tom.
My bad. Chef Tom is pounding some of that flank steak for the Mongolian beef satay right now. But that 5-spice just blooms out. And the apples, now they've been softened, just are accepting that ginger, that caramelized onion flavor, and the 5-spice still got brown sugar and Thai basil to go. It's gonna be a remarkable one. Now we're gonna reserve this, let it cool down a little bit. This is one of those items, might sound funny, but I like to serve this room temperature or cool, generally room temperature. Let's go ahead and start on some of these skewers. We're gonna put them on the grill for just a little bit, then we're gonna knock a little bit of that peanut coconut sauce you made?
That's right.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and check out these skewers. And the idea here is to take the meat, roast it to about a medium rare, and then put that peanut satay sauce on there and let it roast. Again, coconut peanut sauce. It's got a little anchovy in there too, so a lot of things going on. And then we'll stab it right into an apple with the 5-spice apples around. Just a lot of big, bold flavors going on. Great appetizer. We're gonna put a little dollop of our peanut sauce right there. Just took a little slice of apple right there. That's gonna solidify that in there for us. We're gonna hide that apple with some of our Chinese 5-spice apple that we just made together. You like it? I like it. Next, we're gonna put a little greenery on here just to help them pop just a touch. And now we find that apple down in there. Find a little greenery. Now, how cool is that? Mongolian beef satay with Chinese 5-spice apples and a coconut peanut sauce. I mean, that is a big game day, big bold flavor grilled appetizer. What's not to love? Big bold flavors. This is a dish that's a small bite, so that's what you want to do. You want to give them big, bold flavors and leave them wanting more. When you think beef, think Creekstone Farm. Big thanks to our friends here at Ocearch. Good luck with those great whites.